Hi everyone, my name is Samantha and welcome to my YouTube channel, Sewing in Switzerland. So today is a fun one. The very, very lovely, extremely kind Hayley from SewHayleyJane has sent us a subscription box to open and show everyone what's in it. So this is an advert. This isn't paid for, and there was no obligation to even, talk about it, let alone make a video about it. But we were talking about subscription boxes a couple weeks ago, and she very kindly reached out and offered to send one, and I thought it'd be really fantastic if we opened it together. So I've not opened it. It literally arrived today. You will have to forgive the fact that I'm not on camera. I have pulled a muscle in my back and I'm like in so much pain. I'm having to prop myself up. So let's get into it. It's very exciting. I have held off opening it. It's all completely sealed, as you can see. So let's pop it open. I'm just gonna tear this bit. Ooh. Wow, this is very exciting. Oh goodness, it's beautifully packaged. So I'm just gonna, gosh, wow. Oh my god, it feels like Christmas. So let's have a look. This is the July box. And so we're all seeing it at the exact same time, which is really exciting. So I'm just going to open it up. So this is Tilly's Dream box. So this is the collaboration that they did with, that SewHayleyJane did with, there we go, Tilly and the Buttons. We've got an interview in here. We've got lots of interviews, including the team at Tilly and the Buttons, which is really exciting. Oh gosh, a make of the month. I'm really looking forward to reading this in some more depth. So 3 boxes, 3 makes. So there's 3 individual box subscriptions that you can get. And I guess this features a make from each month. This is so exciting. Gosh, it's gorgeous. It's like a proper magazine. Goodness. Oh, this is fantastic. So there's like a tutorial in here, a gallery of makers. Oh wow, it's like a profile of a subscriber. Oh my goodness, this is just beautiful. Goodness, I am blown away by the amount of, this is so adorable, by the amount of detail that has gone into this. Like, this is the magazine. It's like a proper magazine. Like, it's amazing. Goodness. So at the back, you've got all the information. Oh, this is good. All the information of what's included in each box. So we have here the classic box, which is really exciting. So let's have a look. So this is the magazine that comes with it. I must say the quality is fantastic. Oh look, party rings. Do you know, here in Switzerland, there's very little English treats that you can get here without obviously shipping it over. And this is just fantastic. My husband is going to love these. Oh, goodness gracious. I have missed British biscuits. So this one comes with 4 fat quarters. Gosh, they're beautiful. Really stunning. Excellent quality. I mean, the fabric here is very, very thick. Hopefully you can see there. Gosh. As always, I would love to know what you think of this. Are you enjoying this unboxing? Like, I'm having a brilliant time here. Is it fun for you to see what is included in these boxes? Stay home and sew. Oh, wow. So it's like a heat transfer. Oh, fantastic. Gosh, I'm going to make a tote bag, I think, and pop that on. Oh, lovely. And then, oh, wow. So we've got, so normally in the SewHayleyJane, you get the pattern included. And that would have been the Tilly and the Buttons SD pattern. And then you get like the notions here to make it as well. And the thread obviously matches the fabric and the elastic here. Gosh, excellent quality. And it's a Gutermann thread as well. Oh, blimey, I don't know what to say. So let's take a sneaky at the fabric here. So it's, ooh, that's nice. Again, fantastic quality. Gosh, beautiful, beautiful print. Gosh. So, what do you all think? What are your thoughts? This is gorgeous and extremely generous. So thank you, Hayley, very, very much. I've never actually received anything. Obviously nothing that I've like not paid for anyway. So this is a real treat and very, very special. Thank you very, very much. So this is a peek inside the SewHayleyJane July subscription box. So this is what you get. You get the fat quarters, which I'm told later on in the year are actually being discontinued, the fat quarters, and instead you get extra fabric. And then you get some treats included as well, and obviously it would normally come with the pattern itself. But what I really, really am blown away with is this gorgeous magazine. So it kind of introduces you to this whole like subscription box community here. I mean, there's like TV recommendations, podcast recommendations, book recommendations. Oh man, it's so good. So yeah, wow. It kind of, it makes you part of this fantastic SewHayleyJane community, and it's like a really great way to find like-minded people who are also, you know, using their fabrics to create amazing things. So what do you all think? What are your thoughts? I would love to know. Do you subscribe to SewHayleyJane? Do you have any thoughts on their boxes? This is the classic box. So yeah, do tell me all about it, and we'll talk about it in the comments. And as always, I am very, very grateful for your thoughts. Thank you so much, and I will see you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.